Today's video is my October empties at the end of November, but y'all, it's been a hot mess. Let's get into it and I'll kind of sort of explain. Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today we're going to do my October empties. I was not able to do them. I continue to use some of my products towards the end of October. On the 15th of October, I was admitted to the hospital. I had surgery on the 16th. I had surgery on the 17th. It has been a mess, and I'll do a whole video to talk about all of that. I'm doing much, much better now, but it took from then up until a couple of days ago for me to actually start feeling like myself again. So that's why this video is so late. So let's just get into it. I finished up this Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Brow Gel, and it is in the shade Grind, and I really did enjoy this. And oddly enough, you can see how dark that is. Oddly enough, I enjoyed the shade as well. I thought that it was going to be way too dark, but I just put it on, you know, kind of light, and I really did enjoy it. This is much darker than what I'm currently wearing, and I think I actually prefer just a little bit darker, so I would definitely repurchase this. I finally finished this eye base primer. This is Gerard Cosmetics, and I have had this so long that all of the writing has worn off of the little sticker. But I have a couple of other shades of this, and they're darker than this was, so I'm assuming that this was the light. And I did enjoy this. It's a really good primer. I am excited to use the other shades. I believe I have a white. The other one is just a little bit darker. Hopefully it will look okay, but it worked really well. I finished this Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream with Accelerated Retinol SA, and I loved it. I feel like it was really helping my under eyes, and I feel like since I have quit using it, of course now I have been through it. So my eyes and my skin is looking a little rough, but I feel like since I quit using this, or since I finished it, that my under eyes are not looking as well as they did before. So I am definitely going to repurchase this. This is currently on sale not on sale. Currently for Black Friday on the Ulta website. This is $27.99, I believe, which is a little pricey for Neutrogena. But they're doing a buy one, get one 40% off, I believe. But on Amazon, this is $21, and I believe that there is a coupon if you're using the Capital One shopping extension, which I always have linked down in the description box, to save you an additional $4 to $6, I believe. So I am definitely going to repurchase because I love this. Lancome Regenery Lift Multi-Action Night Cream. I really did like this. This is very pricey. It was gifted to me by Lancome, and if it were on sale, steeply discounted, I would absolutely buy it. But this is $135. But it is really good. I really did enjoy it. I finished up this Perlice Pineapple Bright Cleansing Gel. It cleanses the skin and evens out your skin tone. And I actually did enjoy it. Love the smell. I got it in a subscription box. I don't think that I would repurchase it because there are other cleansers that I enjoy more. But Pure Lease is a very good brand, and this is definitely worth looking into. I finished this Damaski clarifying shampoo. This was gifted to me as well, and it worked really well as far as clarifying my hair and removing all of the built up products. But the smell of rose is very, very strong, and I know a lot of people don't like rose scent anyway, so you have to really, really love the smell of roses to like this, because it is very, very strong. It's also a little pricey. I think it's like $35 or something like that, so I would definitely not purchase. It's a good product, but with the amount of fragrance it has in it and the price, probably not. I finished 4 little perfume samples. I have the Valentino Donna, which I did enjoy. Possibly would purchase that one. The Floral Street Wild Vanilla Orchid. I got this in a little sample discovery set that I purchased, I believe, on Sephora, and it was okay. So far, I'm not enjoying the Floral Street fragrances. I have the Burberry Her. I really do like this. I would probably purchase this on sale. And the last one is Replica by the Fireplace. And oh my gosh, I love this so much that for my birthday, because November's my birthday month, for my birthday, I went and bought a bottle of this. It is a little pricey, but oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good. It is so good. And then, this is not completely finished, but it's half finished. I finished my bronzer, my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I'm so excited. I worked on this all year to get that finished. And now I'm going to rehome my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in here because, you know, it comes in a little teeny jar. And I'm going to continue to use this because this is a very nice highlighter. It's very soft. I really do like it. So I'm excited to rehome my Putty Bronzer in this. And this packaging is very nice, so I will continue to use it. But I was so excited to get that done. Those are all of the products that I used in the month of October. That is a total of $308.48. That brings my total so far for the year to $3,090.56. So I did pass that $3,000 bridge mark. I'm very excited because this is the first time I've ever really kept up with the monetary value of all the products that I've used in a year. I had no idea what the threshold of that would be. I did not set any goals. I was just rolling along to see where I would go. I know that I will not reach 4,000. I continued to use my products towards the end of October. Not as much as normal because I was not feeling well. I did not do as much of my skincare and that type of thing as I normally do. And I have continued to use the products on into November as well. For the month of November, I'm not going to have a huge amount of products because I just was not feeling it. But I'm excited to see, with the added monetary value of whatever I used in November and what I could possibly use in December, to see what my year-end totals will be. And I'm super excited to possibly set a goal for 2025, a monetary goal. So let's talk about my purchases in the month of October. The total amount of purchases for October is a big old fat 0. I didn't buy anything. Now, like I said, I went in the hospital on the 15th. So, I mean, that was a whole lot of weeks that I was just like, I don't even care about buying anything or shopping or looking. I did not care. So I don't know if I can necessarily give myself credit, but anyway. And November is my birthday month. I'll get into that in another video. And so I have done a little bit of shopping for my birthday, because by the time that day came around, I was feeling a little teeny bit better and wanting to do a little bit of shopping for myself. And you know, retail therapy. Retail therapy is a good thing sometimes, right? Anyway, I do have a few things that I decluttered in the month of October. 2 of those are eyeshadow palettes. I'm decluttering this Lovecraft Beauty. I was using this in a panning project, and I got bored with it. I did not like the formula of these shadows. These 2 that I used were easy. This was a white. I used it to set my eye primer. This was a very nice brown. I used it as a transition shade. It's a beautiful palette, but the quality of the shadows just were not working for me. I love this shade here, this purple. It's called Hecate, but as you can see, it's hard panned. I'm not going to use makeup just to get it used up if I'm not enjoying it. So this is going in the trash. And along with that project, that was the pocket size, I was also doing the Better Together, and I had put this Pat McGrath Labs little palette in there. This is the Eye Ecstasy Sublime, and there are quite a few shades in here that I liked, but I just did not reach for it. It's pretty, but I just feel like I'm not going to use it. I never reach for it. I got this on sale for like 14 bucks, so I'm going to declutter this one as well. I'm not going to throw this one away. I think I will pass it along to a friend that I think will enjoy it. I am decluttering this e.l.f. highlighter. This is white gold. I've had this for quite a while, and it's very pretty, but it does not show up very well. So I am going to gift this to a friend as well. So that is my empties, my low buy, and a little bit of decluttering for the month of October. Stay tuned for a video coming about all of my hospital drama and birthday stuff. I'll throw birthday things in there and what I purchased for myself for my birthday and all that good stuff. And I'm feeling tons better, so I'm ready to get back into getting my videos uploaded and back on track. I'm super excited. Thanks for hanging out with me. I would greatly appreciate it if you would show that like button some love. It would really make my day, and it lets YouTube know that you enjoyed my video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you used up in October. I know I'm a little bit behind the curve. Maybe you still remember what you used up in October. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay? Love you. Bye.